So this is how to transfer your investment account from Sun Life Financial to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, on this bottom bar, there's four different options. Select the third one or the arrows heading in opposite directions. Once you're on this page right here, just scroll down to where it says accounts and then select where it says transfer account to Wealthsimple, and then press on get started. Once you're here, you can look for Sun Life Financial. So under most popular for me, if I were to scroll down a little bit here, Sun Life is an option. Go ahead and select that. If it's not here, you can just search for your institution and select it that way. So once you have Sun Life Financial selected, you can either sign in through the app to have a faster experience, or if you want to enter the information manually, you can do that as well. I will just go to the bottom here and enter the information manually. Once that is done, you can then select the type of investment account that you want to transfer. So a bunch of different options right here. So if you wanted to, for example, transfer an FHSA, you could then press that as an example and then press next at the bottom. Once you're here, you can then add your Sun Life account details on the screen, then press next, and then basically just follow the prompts and the steps after that to complete the transfer of your account. So that is how you guys can transfer your investment account from Sun Life Financial to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.